y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. My name is Hannah and in today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a Cinderella eyeshadow look. Now, I have done The Little Mermaid, I've done, I think I did Princess Jasmine. I kind of stopped doing these little princessy inspired tutorials because one, I just felt like I didn't really want to get caught like in a bubble of doing these like all the time. And two, with YouTube's new guidelines and everything, I didn't want to risk this getting geared towards children or like being generated towards children, because we can no longer monetize videos that have or that are directed towards children. We can no longer make money off of videos that are strictly for children's views. So I have to be careful about what type of content and things that I put out here on YouTube, even more than I was before. So I just decided, you know what, I'm going to do this video. If it gets generated to kids and it gets demonetized, I'll just take the risk. But I really want to do this tutorial today, and I'm really excited. This is a really simple eyeshadow look, so I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a sneak peek so that way you can check out if you want to see it for yourself or not. Here is the Cinderella look completed. Cinderella is one of my favorite Disney movies, and she is one of my favorite Disney princesses. So if you would like to see me achieve this look right here, get out your makeup brushes, and let's go ahead and let's get started. Into my Profusion Festival eyeshadow palette. It has been a hot minute since I have used this shadow palette. I'm going to be taking the blue shade that is in the shade Wavy in the palette. Now that was like a really pretty oceany blue color. What that is going to do, that is going to be our base crease color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that shadow to my crease using this little shadow crease brush right here. This is just a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to be applying it to my crease in a little way outwards. Now I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be blending that shadow out that we just laid down in the crease. Now, I don't know about y'all, but when I was a really little kid, I absolutely loved Cinderella. That was my favorite Disney movie. I had a little costume. I would constantly play and watch the VCR tape over and over and over again. It has always been one of my favorite Disney movies. I love the animation in it. I think it is just absolutely gorgeous and very, very beautifully animated. I love her dress. If you've ever been to any of the Disney parks, like even though it's just a person in a costume, I love going up there and just admiring the costume because it is so going to go into the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 228 color eyeshadow palette. That is a long name for an eyeshadow palette. I had absolutely no idea what this shadow palette was called until I read it on the back. But I'm going to be taking that really soft shimmery blue shade right there at the very end, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid. And how I'm going to be applying it to my lid is I'm going to be applying it with just this little flat shader brush right here. And I'm also going to be deepening the brush with a little bit of the Morphe X Jevius Star Continuing Setting Mist. I don't feel like hearing anybody down in the comments saying you shouldn't support Jeffree Star anymore. You shouldn't buy his products. Guess what? When I use this all up, I will no longer be purchasing this product, so we're all good. It's time to curl my eyelashes, and I'm going to be putting on some mascara. For mascara today, I'm just going to be using the Great Lash mascara from Maybeline because it's been a while since I have used it, so I thought I would use it today. My eyelash curler is from e.l.f., and e.l.f. is a very affordable brand. And I've had this eyelash curler for a very long time, and it hasn't failed me. I'm also just now realizing that my nail polish matches my eyeshadow right now, which I'm not angry about at all, so I'm really liking it. that lashes is probably the hardest thing that I've had to do all day for this look. I'm going to be using the lashes from Jevius Place. These are just any style Annabella. These are very dramatic, but they also kind of look princessy, which is why I wanted to use them. I really like these lashes, so I haven't used these in a while, so I wanted to use them today. And to apply the lashes, I'm just going to be using this metal eyelash applicator that I got off of Beauty at Big Bang. Then I'm also going to be using the strip lash adhesive from Kiss. This is just the black one. I'm really missing my clear one, but I'm almost done with this, and then I can repurchase my clear. I am back, and I did my foundation, my concealer, my powder off camera. So now I'm going to be doing the lower lash line area. So first what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of white eyeliner to my waterline. This is just the LA Colors Audio Eyeliner. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know I love this eyeliner. And it's just any shade of white. And I really like this because it's very creamy, but it doesn't smudge, which is why I like it. And it's so affordable too. It's only $1. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of a wave, and I'm going to smudge that along my lower lash line area. And I'm just using this e.l.f. concealer brush to be my little under eye shadow brush because it's super tiny and it fits into those little corners perfectly. If there's one thing that we can all remember from watching Cinderella when we were kids, is that she had the most gorgeous pair of glass slippers. So to incorporate a little bit of sparkle and to incorporate the glass slippers into this look, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild pressed glitter. This is just any shade of silver. What I'm going to do with it is just pop it into my inner corner with this little brush right here. Now, I like this one because this almost has like a gel-like consistency to it, so it's a little bit tacky, but it is absolutely gorgeous and very, very sparkly. So now I'm going to put on a little Great Lash mascara, and I'm just going to be applying this to my lower lashes. I actually really like the wand of this mascara. I know this is a mascara that some people either really, really love or they really, really hate. I personally really like it. It is time to bring some warmth back into my very pale complexion. So I'm going to be using the Catè London bronzer. This is just any shade of bamboo bronzer. I know I said this before, but I'm trying to use this all up, so that is why I am including it in today's tutorial. And to apply it, I am just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flush to my cheeks, and I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This is just any shade of Natural Glow. It is a really pretty soft pink and glowy blush, and I just thought it would be perfect for this look, since this look is all about being princessy and glowy and just pretty. So to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Now I'm going to go into my Makeup Revolution Radiance palette. This is just a highlighter palette. And I'm actually going to be using a highlighter out of this palette today to highlight my face with. And I'm going to be using the one in the center because it is really, really pretty and really, really glowy. And princesses are supposed to glow, and they're not supposed to sweat. They're supposed to glisten and glow from within. So to apply the highlighter, I'm just going to be using this highlight brush from Cheek. Certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this lipstick. Again, I have no idea how to pronounce this brand, but this is just in the shade Cosmere, and this is just what it looks like. It is a really pretty soft neutral pink. Now, Cinderella's lips are kind of a soft neutral pink. That is why I wanted to use this lipstick. And then to top over it, I wanted to use a gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is just in the shade Fussy. Again, this is just a soft neutral pink gloss, and it's going to go perfect with this lipstick, so that is going to be my lip combo for this video. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for the completed makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I think it is really, really pretty. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. If you would like to, you can also go over on my social media handles and you can give me a follow over there. I am always posting at new makeup looks, just different things like that. So you can go on there and give me a follow if you want to, and just keep up with me. And so yeah, I really hope that you all did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.